Y'all, this is so funny to me because I hate when people do this little YouTube slow motion intro type thing, but I just wanted to do it and it is so funny. I cannot stop laughing. Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel, and I am going to be doing a quick tutorial. I think it's a quick tutorial. I don't know about all the footage combined, but of this hairstyle. I do love it. This hair is a little bit annoying. You'll see more about that, but it is the Tress Janet Collection Tress Butterfly Locks. It's the one that comes with 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch. I got mine off Sam's Beauty. I don't know where you can get it locally, but just Google it. It'll come up. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this. Oh, and just some things. I always leave my edges out. I just slicked my edges back, and I don't put the crochets at the beginning. Okay, let me say, I put in all the 10-inch. So the hair comes in 10, 12, and 14-inch. So I put in all the 10-inch, now I'm on to the 12. And I can tell you one thing, I may or may not use this hair again depending on if I really like the outcome, because it's very hard to work with. First of all, this loop, you have to make it bigger. I've already unraveled 2 twists just from trying to pull it in. And do not try to put this through the braid, like at all. That's probably why they make this so long, because this hurts trying to put it through the braid. So I would not recommend putting the actual lock through the braid. And because I'm limited on the opening, see, this one's about to unravel too. Because I'm limited on the opening, I move slower, and I don't have time to move slow. So, you know, I'm just gonna finish. I've seen someone else use this hair. That is why I got it. Ouch. But it's, I don't know. So I've seen their outcome. It's very cute, but see, I'm just gonna finish. And I hope I space these out correctly. And I hope I can cut these, because I want them even at the bottom. And right now they're not. don't remember if I already said, but I have this neck strip on because I laid down my edges. I don't like how that's hanging like that. And I left most of my edges out. Anything that was eventually gonna come out the braid, I already left out. Okay, so I think I'm onto the 14 inch. And I'm actually going to hook up my Facebook Live. So I'm going to be recording the last part on Facebook Live. Hello everyone. I feel like this is not right. This filter I'm using made me look weird. Anyways, what's up everyone? So I'm doing my hair, coming back with another live crochet. I've already started. Y'all, this hair is stressing me out, okay? Now I saw somebody use this hair on YouTube and I was like, it's cute. And don't worry, I will save this. But this is the hair that I'm using. It comes with 3 different sizes, 10 inch, 12 inch, and 14 inch. I've already put in all of the 10 and 12. Now, one thing that's annoying about this hair, if you hear extra noises, I'm at work. I work in a suite. It is what it is. One thing that's annoying about this hair is this little loop thing. And that the hair is too big to go through the braid, so you literally cannot go through the braid. You can only put this little loop through the braid. Well, he ruined 2 of the locks. So I don't know if I'll get this hair again unless I really like the outcome of the hairstyle. And I purposely left my edges out. Thank you for whoever's giving me the hearts. I don't know how to tell who's watching. I purposely left my edges out because 1, I never braid my edges into crochet braids anyways. Let me speed this back up. I'm also recording on my other phone for my YouTube, which is Madame Blue, by the way. If you are not subscribed, make sure you do so. I normally don't braid my edges in anyways, and they eventually just come out if they are short enough. But this time I just decided to leave them out completely. But I hope I like this because the butterfly locks are so cute to me, but I'm not about to sit and get them done. I can tell you that right now. That's another thing I don't like how that just hangs like that. Like, that's not cute. I'm gonna put all these in, okay? Every single piece of jewelry known to man, because I like it like that. Okay, I only cut, it was just some long pieces. I'm gonna leave it before I ruin it. I like all the jewelry. People be like, oh, only give me pieces. I'll be doing silver, gold, bronze. It don't matter, I want it all. Actually, a client gave me this because she got it when she bought some crochets and she's like, I'm never gonna use them. I was like, girl, I will, thank you. guess I like it. I'll probably order it again. I mean, the hair was annoying, but not that annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all these different types of jewels on. And my last client got this, and she didn't want them, so I'm gonna put some of these on too. And then I'll post a picture. Finish my Facebook Live. I'll probably insert that footage depending, because I was low-key only looking at one camera. Oh, drop the jewel. I love these little shell things. I remember my last client was like, she never wears these because she don't know if it'll go with her outfit. I'm like, girl, I don't care what I'm wearing. I'm gonna have every jewel known to man in my head. It's weird. Now, one thing I be putting in that low-key I hate, but I love, are these little rings. They get caught on everything. Ooh, I love these ones. They get caught on everything, but I like them. So that is it, guys. I do like it. I probably won't do anything to it, like wear it up. I didn't even check the bag. Lord, I need to cover. Just one braid right here. I'm gonna have to use that, figure out that piece, but that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I do like it, even though the hair was annoying. I would probably get this again. It's low-key a little heavy on this side where I have most of the hair, and I don't really like that, but usually it be feeling heavy the first day, so hopefully it doesn't stay heavy. The last time I used this brand of Locs was my last video that I did crochets on myself. Make sure you check out that video. The hair felt heavy at the beginning, but then as time went on, it did not feel heavy anymore. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.